Now you can see that, okay, right?
Yes, yes.
This is a heavy program. The advantage of the Blackboard is every class session is recorded, and later on you can see how to do the exercise from the video, and then you can do it. This is how we start. Now you can see the screen, right? Before I was having the share screen. The whole screen was shared with multiple applications. Now I'm sharing only the AutoCAD application. So when I go to the PDF file or for other files, it will not. It doesn't have to jump here and there. So okay. So now I think it is okay, right? So this is the some line weight I'm taking pointers, 0.3 millimeters, and if this is off, you don't see there is a line weight for this. If I see the properties, this line is 0.3 millimeter thick, but it is not displayed here. So this is a switch here, show or hide line weight. It is off now because it will not show the line weight. So this must be on to see the line weight. Very simple thing. Okay. Now we want to start this exercise, and I will ask you, if we start from here, coming down, the length of the line is 3.54. How much is the angle? How much is the angle?
Yeah, come on.
Mute.
Yes, somebody has to switch off his mic. Switch on
What?
your mic only when you want to ask something, okay? Your microphone should be switched off. So we should start from here. I was asking 3.54 is the length of the line. How much is the angle? So we need this angle, right? Upper angle here, upper angle. And that angle, as you know, the angle between the parallel lines is 115 plus upper angle will be the 180. So that upper angle itself will be 180 minus 115, 65. It will be 65 degree. So I start the line. First point of the line is 2 comma 2. I don't know where it will go. 2 comma 2. Okay, it's going here. Then you have to go down. I will switch off the ortho. Go down at the rate length of the line 3.54, angle minus 63, which we calculated like this. I will change the position of this one so that okay.
Teacher, can you repeat from zero? Because I
Okay,
don't know how did you bring y and x.
okay. Okay. So we want to start from point 2 to this point, 2 comma 2. Then we start the line from that. 3.54 is the length of the line, and the angle, the upper here, this will be 180 minus 115. 180 minus 115. So starting the line, first point is 2 comma 2. This is first point of the line. This is fixed. This one is fixed. Again, I will repeat. I go to the line command, draw line command. Then it is asking me specify the first point here, if you can see. So 2 comma 2 is my first point. I specify this absolute Cartesian coordinates and then press enter. So first point is fixed. Now it is asking me to specify where is the next point of the line. So I write at the rate. Now write the length of the line, which is 3.54, length of the line. Then angle is 180 minus 115, that is 65, but it should be minus 65. As you can see, 65 will go up, so minus 65 because you're coming down. Now next point is at the rate 11.47, length of the line. Now angle is how much? 0. You are going in the direction of the x-axis, so 0 angle, 0 angle. That's correct. Then at the rate, now vertically you are going out 3.06. This is the length of the line. angle
Yes.
90 degree going up straight 90 degree. Then next is at the rate, length of the line is 3.56. Now it's tricky to find the answer here for the angle. See, the angle here will be, total angle here is 360 degree total. Okay, so 360 degree minus 146 minus 90. So that is the remaining angle for the x. 360 degree minus 146 minus 90, that is coming as 124. 124. So the angle will be 124. 360 degree minus 146 minus 90 degree, that is the angle there with x-axis for that line. Now again, next add the rate, 4.09, and angle is 180 now here horizontally. Now next is at the rate 2.98, angle is minus 110. Now you want to go to the last point, or sorry, the first starting point. Just type C, because you don't know the length angle. You
Well,
can see that it is 180. Just type C for close. It will jump to the first point. That's how you get this shape. Now to see the dimensions. To see the dimensions, suppose I want to show this dimension here. This is dimension, and you can see the dimension is 4.0900. So I will go to dimension style, and I will modify. This is a dimension style manager. I will modify it. I can change the lines. Maybe I can change the color of the line yellow, maybe color of the extension line to kind of light blue. Symbols and the arrowhead, maybe size of the arrow is zero point 0.2 around. I will make it 0.3 now, small little bit change in the size. Text, I will change the text style. It is standard now. I will click here. I like text to be Verdana. This one is very thick and nice. Apply, set current, close. You change the text. Primary unit, here it is precision 4 decimal places. I want only up to 2 decimal places. And okay, also we can see the text alignment. Modify in the text alignment, it is horizontal. All numbers are horizontal. You can make aligned or you can make ISO. I like ISO standard. So keep the text alignment. You can see here the number changing. Here all numbers are looking horizontal. If you keep here the vertical dimension vertical, horizontal dimension horizontal, so all the numbers are aligned with the dimension line, the direction of the dimension line. Always keep ISO standard. Say okay. Set current. Set current means it will apply to the current dimension. I just have given one dimension. If I don't say set current, just close, then it will be applying to the next dimensions. The current dimension will be as it is. So set current, so it will apply to the previous dimensions also, and then close. So this is changed. Scope of increasing the text height, 0.2, 5, and also the arrow size, 0.3, 0.5. Set current, close. Don't change too much from the current size, okay? Don't change too much from the current size. Okay, we need this one. So get the dimensions, linear to this dimension, say from now here. You have to click here, not here by mistake. Okay, so you click here, not to the end of the this is not linear, it's aligned from this to this, 3.56, and see some angles also, and dimension also, from this to this 3.54. Sometimes if it is not coming correct, that may be instead of clicking here, you are clicking at the end of the line. So be careful about that. Zoom in and see. Let's see some angles. Dimension, angular. You can click on this line. You can click on this line to show this angle. Here, 115. I was telling we took this upper angle 60, 65. We used this one as minus 65. The reason was 180 minus, the reason was how we calculated that one. We got this one by 180 minus 115, that is equal to 65. But we had to use minus 65 because you are coming down. If you take 65 directly, it will go up. This is how we get that dimension. Uh, yes. Also, how we get the this dimension, we got it by 360 total minus 146 minus 90 degree. So that will give you the answer for this. 360 minus 146 minus 90. Any, I'm saying you 360 degree is okay. I'll delete this here. So this is 90 degree here. So we want to find out the upper angle. We wanted to find out this angle. We wanted to find out this angle 124. And as we know, this lower angle is 90. So that's how we got this. Mm, 360 minus 146 minus 90 will give you this angle 124. Okay, this is answer for this is 124. As you can see, this will be 124. If you calculate this 124, how you get 124. So this is our first exercise.